Chipkey experts over here at Global GM Auto Sales, Belleville Avenue. Cutting program, spare transponder key, combo, flip remote for a 2012 Ford Fusion lock. Hit it again, you hit a horn, pops the trunk. Lock. Open the door, unlock. Enter the vehicle. This is a flip key, universal. Works with over 87% of the cars on the road today. Start the car. That light goes out. Car starts. (2012) Ford Fusion. Chipkey Experts Auto Locksmith. Visit us on the web at www.chipkeyexperts.com. Thank you.